talking about being reciprocated, no? Kasi lately, or not lately, but this past few days, I'm in my mid-30s, 36 already, no? And it came to a point na kapoy. Kapoy is a Bisaya term for pagod. Kapagod na talaga. Yung kapagod na mag-search, mag-chase. And then, kung kailan parang gusto ko nang sumuko, tsaka naman, there's someone that will come. Okay. Let's say, baka ito na yun. Someone has come. But yung problem is, alam mo yun, yung tipong, is it really true? Is this really true? Is it not a dream? Kasi, he's a cute guy. He's young. He's 24. And then, parang lahat ng nasasabi ng head ko are red flags. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako sanay na a cute guy like him in his prime would want to date me. Diba? Pero yun nga, alam mo naman yung yung kapag dumating yung point where there's mixed signals, diba? Like tipo yung gusto mong makikonnect on a better note, like social media, other types of social media where you can share yourself, like daily, like for example Facebook. Pero siya, he'd rather stick to Tinder, where you met. And then, alam mo naman yun, it's very limited there. And, okay na siya dun. Ako yung taong tipong, kumbaga, I want to see updates every day. Oo, we can update each other in Tinder, but iba kasi yung Facebook Messenger. You can send video messages, you can call audio, even stories and my days and notes, diba? Kaya, at my age, at 36, it's like, ano ba tong pinapasok ko? Andito na naman ako ulit sa talking stage, at getting to know stage, and then, gosh, yung guy has mixed signals. I mean, I get it. He's in his prime. Hindi siya nagmamadali. Pero alam mo yung ako, alam mo kasi, ando na ako sa, ayoko na yung mga paligoy-ligoy pa, kung anong sikot-sikot pa. Kaya, I don't know. So, I don't know sa inyo if you've really tried or experienced that. Yung, nag-overthink ka na lang kasi nga, ano ba to? Gusto niyo ba talaga ako o hindi? Okay naman kami pag magkasama kami. Pero alam mo yung nakukulangan ka sa moment nyo together. Alam mo yung nakukulangan ka sa connection yung dalawa. Yun eh. Yun yung, kumbaga, ewan, nakukulangan ako. Tapos, alam mo yun, okay naman kami pag nag-date. Pero, after that, kapag nag-message ako, it would take him a long time to reply. But yun nga. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Pinili mo. Ginusto mo. Pinasukan mo yun. Kaya, as a 36 years old who is dating a 24 years old guy, siguro, tiis. Di ba? I don't know if you have experienced that kind of thing. But right now, ganyan ako eh. Yan yung nangyayari sa akin. And, I don't know. Maybe someone out there is experiencing the same thing. And, notice ko rin, no? Nowadays, younger kids on their 20s would like to date far more like mature people. Then I dated one guy before in his 20s. And I asked him, bakit ako? Bakit gusto mo yung mas matanda sa'yo? Yung sagot niya talaga, ayoko sa mga kaedad ko. Kasi yung mga kaedad ko nakakaburyong, nakakaano. Kasi di ko sila maintindihan. Ganun daw. Is it true? Di daw nila maintindihan yung ka-age nila. And they are finding that kind of yung maturity siguro for people who are our age, no? So, yun lang. I don't know if it's ranting or it's what, but this is how I feel. A 36 years old dating a 24 years old guy. I know it's too early to tell, but I guess it's a long way. Let's try to savor it na lang siguro. So this has been Vin. So I've started this like a video thing a while ago, no, with my students, and when we were just running out there, and then one of my students, like Mark, took a video of me, and then my other students related to that video, like the message of that is that, are you pagod na? Or kikapoy na ba ka? And then, di ba? So after that moment where I said kikapoy na, oo. And then days after I found this guy. So I don't know how to this kind of video posting will come, but siguro this is like a, alam mo yun, when you are running kasi, when you are jogging, after that there comes a clarity like this. You're alone with a nice view, with a nice air, and then you're left alone with your thoughts, and these are just random thoughts siguro, no? If you can relate to it, then thank you. If not, then maybe we're just too different. Again, thank you for listening. This has been me. Thank you. This has been your Running Rants with Kelvin. Bye!